Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create vehicle service record tracker in Coda. So let's create a new document and let's start with the blank document, right? Now once the document loads, you'll be setting up the columns to track the vehicle service record. So we add the title, vehicle service record tracker, right? Next thing, here we will be getting the table, right? So we add table here. Let's say our first column, here we will add, let's say, service type. Then column 2 we will add, let's say, date. So we'll have to change the type, right? So here we use column type, then pick up date. So you can use date and time, right? So you have service type, date, and third column you will be adding cost, right? So here again we will have to choose the number for cost. So here we can use currency, right? Then finally here I can use mileage is number, right? So we will be basically changing column type to number, right? So I will just change the size, right? And then we can also add some conditional formatting here. Let's say if I choose to add some color to cost, right? Here you can choose min and max if you want. So for now we will just ignore this. So let's start by showing you what it can do. So my first column says service type. So let's say oil change, then the date. So date was today's date, right? So we also added the time. Then cost was 19.99 USD. Notice that we get the yellow color, right? If you set the condition something like over $50, so you can have red color, that means it is costing you more. You can have such entries within your record tracker. So let's see, at that time mileage was, let's see, 260. So you recorded that, right? Like this you can fill up your table and keep on adding the entries. You can add conditional changes to mileage and cost so that it will have its own color, and you will notice if anything is bigger and requires your attention, right? So this is a simple vehicle service record tracker that you can use within Coda.